Hey everyone, the Asus ROG Xbox Ally is shaping up to be one of the most intriguing gaming handhelds in recent years, particularly because it represents the first time Asus has paired its Republic of Gamers brand with the Xbox name in a dedicated portable device. Rumors of its impending launch have been fueled by a fresh e-retailer listing, which strongly suggests that the handheld's release could be just around the corner. This development comes after months of anticipation, as the device was first showcased back in June 2025 alongside its more advanced sibling, the ROG Xbox Ally X. What sets the ROG Xbox Ally series apart from other handheld gaming systems is the close integration of Xbox-focused software optimizations with powerful PC-grade hardware. Built on a Windows 11 home foundation, the system offers a unique Xbox full-screen experience that is designed to blur the line between console and PC gaming. Asus has implemented specialized background activity management that automatically limits or terminates non-essential processes. This enhancement reduces unnecessary power consumption, allowing the device to direct more resources to the active game, which in turn helps maintain higher and more consistent performance during gameplay. For portable gaming, where battery life and sustained performance are often at odds, this is a significant advantage. Physically, the ROG Xbox Ally takes design cues from the Xbox wireless controller, giving it a familiar and comfortable grip for console players. Its 7-inch touchscreen display sports a full HD resolution, a fluid 120 Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 500 nits, ensuring sharp visuals and smooth motion even in challenging lighting conditions. Under the hood, the handheld runs on the Ryzen Z2 APU, which combines a Zen 5 CPU architecture with RDNA 3.5 graphics. This configuration is expected to deliver strong performance for modern AAA titles as well as older classics, making it a true all-in-one gaming solution. Storage and memory specifications are also generous for a portable system. It features a 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD for fast game loading and responsive system performance, along with 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM to ensure smooth multitasking and game execution. To keep it running for extended play sessions, Asus has equipped the device with a substantial 60 watt-hour battery, which when paired with the aforementioned power management features, could result in longer play times than many competitors. On the software side, Asus's Armoury Crate SE returns, offering streamlined game library management, quick access to performance profiles, and full integration with the Xbox Game Bar for seamless gameplay recording, social features, and quick system controls. This level of software refinement makes the ROG Xbox Ally feel like more than just a Windows handheld. It's a purpose-built hybrid that caters directly to Xbox Game Pass users while retaining the flexibility of a Windows gaming PC. The marketing tagline, "You play all your games," perfectly captures the ethos of the device. Whether your library spans Xbox titles, PC exclusives, or cloud stream games, the Ally aims to handle them all without compromise. While Asus has yet to officially confirm an exact release date, the Amazon product listing, along with a leaked price of around €599, suggests that gamers won't have to wait much longer to get their hands on it. If it delivers on its promises, the ROG Xbox Ally could mark a major turning point for both Xbox enthusiasts and portable gaming as a whole. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and God bless you.